One TV special report.
Thank you, Madam Chair. I would like to share about our recent continuous local legislative educational program or CLEP that we attended last week, September 17, 18, and 19 in Davao City. This program enhanced our knowledge of parliamentary procedures, including the proper way of establishing quorum and understanding the rights of councilors. It also discussed the proposed House Bill of GSIS that will allow elected officials to continue paying for their pension, maski na, Madam Chair, nga kanang taman ra og 9 years ang councilor para maka-pension siya, ilang gi-propose nga pwede na lang sila mo continue og bayad until nga makakuan ta, Madam Chair, makakomplete to sa 15 years. And this bill is only waiting for the Senate approval and will be a big help, especially to those officials who will not run again for any position. And the PCL also offers educational programs for those who were not able to finish college or those who wish to continue higher studies. They provide opportunities for master's and doctorate degrees. Initially, Madam Chair, nagstorya mi with our PCL presidents nga paningkamutan karon sa PCL president nga i-check ang all PCL members nga kinsa tong pwede tabangan and i-encourage nga makahuman jud sila sa ilahang pagskwela na sila'y diploma or college diploma. And the CLEP ensures full participation for requiring perfect attendance and completion of output activities. Certificates of participation are only given if all requirements are met. And Madam Chair, we are so proud nga ang atuang duha ka councilor very interactive, Madam Chair, especially to Honorable Marcelian Tapayan nga naa siya dito. Nag-discuss siya sa atoang mga programs dinhi, and also one of the representatives sa mga kanang karaan since 1988. Sakto ba ko? 1988, Madam Chair. So usa siya sa mga tang-an dito nga ning lingkod og ning share sa iyahang experience. Yes, and also, Madam Chair, atong pakpakan Honorable Archie Marcelo Romero. Nakadaog siya og Rilo Timex, Madam Chair, kay attentive kay siya, Madam Chair. Nagid siya sa tubangan og ni-answer gid siya dayon sa ato ang kuan trivia, Madam Chair. Nakadaog siya Grilo. So inana ka-active ang ato ang mga members sa council. Wala na sayang ang ato ang budget nga daghan kay tag nakutlo nga mga bag-ong sitaw kana lesson, mga wisdom pod sa atong mga speaker, Madam Chair. So this program is truly a great help to us, both new and old elected officials, in carrying out our responsibilities. I hope there will be more educational programs from PCL in the future. And kami, Madam Chair, walay absent, kompleto mi sa pag-attend. We are also grateful to our beloved Mayor Atty. Sam Fuentes for his overwhelming support by providing us transportation and a driver, Madam Chair, nga wala gyud mi nahasol pag adto og Davao, nakapangumpra pag mga tanom para ipangtanom sa ilahang mga luna. And lastly, the one Ascenso Misamis Occidental PCL President Board Member Henia Yapchong extended her heartfelt gratitude for our participation in the CLEP program. Thank you, Madam Chair.
Okay, congratulations, my colleagues in the City Council. Before we adjourn, Honorable Majority Floor Leader, allow me first also to take this moment to congratulate our colleagues who successfully attended that report, the first continuing local legislative education program in Davao of the Philippine Councilors League. That was on September 17 to 19. Atong palakpakan sila, be. Allow me to recognize the following honorable members of our sanggunian. Honorable Lorly Fuentes Sepres, palakpakan po. Honorable Catherine Lim, Honorable Marcelian Tapayan, atong Major Floor Leader, Honorable Sancho Waminal Jr., Honorable Cecil Ko, Honorable Juanito Sakin Jr., Honorable Marcelo Romero II, and Honorable Janfil Duhay Lungsod. Your participation shows that you are very much dedicated in continuing learning, no? And your commitment to better serve our people through quality legislation. Salamat kaayo. Once again, congratulations kaninyong tanan. I am so proud of our legislative body here because during also the dito atong Cagayan, niyo, you also actively participating in that particular seminar. O yun na atong spirit, no, nga we should not stop learning kay knowledge is continuing mangyod. So whatever chances or opportunity nga there's a chance for us to attend seminars, we should not miss that. Kaya para rin na nato kita rin po mabulahan, no? Anyway, once again, congratulations sa atong, once again, I would like to reiterate ang atong Majority Floor Leader who nagkuan yun, naghatag og kanang report for the whole event, and our Honorable Cecil ko also doing the report. Salamat kayo ninyong tanan for your active participation in any activity of our city. Salamat kayo. Thank you so much for your active participation. Kamong tanan, congratulations. And again, this morning we have attended, no, the dance contest. Kisa may nakadaog red team, ako man ano, mix, no, composition. Well, anyhow, your presence there, ang mga presensya nato dito naka-encourage gito sa ato mga participants. Nalipay kay sila nga nata dito kasud-o nila. So they are really na-execute yun sila maayo, no? Para yun sila nga makita po nato nga sila nagtinuuray yun po sa ilang kuan. Naka-practice sila. Ako ba, nakadaog ko ba na wala? But anyhow, what is most important is the spirit of cooperation. Congratulations sa ato mga staff. Palakpakan na to ato mga staff, be. Salamat kayo ninyo kay you never miss your participation in any activity in line with the civil service month. Salamat and keep on with the good work. Salamat and good morning. Having no more items to discuss.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. On that positive note, may we now have the pleasure and privilege to hear on SK matters from Honorable John Pedro Longson, Honorable Chair.
PCL matters.
SK.
Honorable.
SK matters.
Oh, SK matters, Honorable Duhay Lungsod.
Thank you, Majority Floor Leader and Madam Chair. For SK matters, I would like to report this August Badger to inform about the result of the first SK Provincial League, Madam Chair, nga nakuha sa Ozami City. I will start with the volleyball women. The Ozami City champion for the sports league of the SK Provincial wide, Madam Chair. Volleyball women champion. Volleyball men, Ozami City fourth place. Table tennis mixed doubles, Ozami City champion. Table tennis singles men, second place, Ozami City. Table tennis women, third place, the City of Ozamis. Chess women, Ozami City champion. Chess men, Ozami City third place. Badminton girls singles, Ozami City second place. Badminton boys singles up to quarterfinals. Badminton mixed doubles also up to quarterfinals. The basketball of the Ozami City is top 8 quarterfinals. Mobile Legend, the Ozami City road to semifinals. Soccer, Ozami City until elimination round. And I would like to inform Madam Chair that this representation attended the first ever, second year local monitoring conducted by the National Youth Commission for the implementation of local youth development plan. And aside that, Madam Chair, the SK Federation of Ozami City and all youth of the SK of our city of Ozamis would like to extend our heartfelt gratitude to Asenso Ozami's administration headed by the Kanunay Asenso Ozami's Mayor Sam Norman Fuentes for allocated a budget for the year 2026 so that we can perform and we can implement the programs, projects and activities related to youth, Madam Chair. Thank you so much, Madam Chair.
Thank you very much, Honorable Y. Longsod, for your report. Noted by the Chair.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. At this point of time, we now are pleased and privileged to hear on ABC matter from our PCL financier and sometimes invisible Honorable Giancarlo Moraleon, Honorable Chair.
Honorable Giancarlo Moraleon, our PCL Financer, you have now the floor.
Thank you, Madam Chair. For ABC matters, none at this moment. Thank you.
Okay, noted you're being so generous.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. May we have pleasure and privilege to hear on matters concerning the indigenous people from Honorable Dinky Siso, Honorable Chair.
Honorable Suizo, you are now recognized by the Chair. For
Thank
IP
you very
matters.
much, Madam Chair. For IP Matters, Tribal Chieftain of Labo, Gocom Carlito Catulag, wrote a letter to our Mayor, Attorney Sam Norman Fuentes, for in audience, together with this representation, Gocom Carlito Catulag, Bae Mirna Martir, Gocom Jimmy Haiktin, and Bae Memelec M. Rivera, with the Mayor this coming September 26, and they're still waiting for the requested schedule for approval for their audience or courtesy call, Madam Chair. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Honorable Suizo. Noted by the Chair of the report. Any other concern?
Madam Chair.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. May we hear other matters from Honorable Cecil Co, Honorable Chair.
Honorable Cecil Ko, you are now recognized by the Chair.
Thank you, Madam Chair. I would just like to add to the report of our PCL officer, the Honorable Katkat Lim, by giving you some reviews of our trip in Davao last week. So we attended a 2.5-day full pack seminar on CLEP, that is the Continuing Local Legislative Education Program, sponsored or organized by the PCL. So it was really a productive one, a highly educational and full of information seminar workshop. So Osami City has the highest number of attendance among the LGUs of Misamis Occidental.
Very good.
And not a second was wasted, Madam Chair, because I am proud to say that and announce that all the Osamis LGU participants were there from beginning from the registration to the commencement part, without cutting classes, without no school bukol, and fully attending to all assignments, including individual seat works and group work. So I deem it as the importance of the seminar is not only for just one member of the Sanggunian. It is not enough that only one will attend that seminar. So we were right when we decided that most of the SP members here shall attend that seminar, because the topics covered on that seminar is not for just the self-enhancement of one member, but it encourages teamwork, working together, thinking together, planning together as one body for the Sanggunian. So even if most of us are already on its final term or third termers, we still have to be reminded of the do's and don'ts of legislation. So, ganina, gi-announce ni Honorable Katkat Lim, we had an excellent student in the person of Honorable Archie Romero. And of course, I have to mention again our nag-iisa, the ever reliable, seasoned, legendary member of our Sanggunian, the Honorable Mars Tapayan, who presented and shared some insights on how successful our Ascenso programs are and that are still ongoing, and we are expanding. And it was just too bad that he was cut short by the host, because siguro the host felt and already knew there were so many or too many Ascenso programs to detail, kulang ang oras. So thank you for that, Attorney Mars Tapayan. And the loudest applaud who deserves it is the Honorable Katkat Lim, because she really made sure that everyone is comfortable and safe during the travel and during the stay in Davao. And she personally attended to us, and kanang to the point of extending pa her services, her help to other, and facilitating for the other LGUs as well in of Misamis Occidental. And kuan pa giatiman pa gyud niya personally again the needs and helping out our new PCL president in the person of Honorable Hanea Yapchong. So again, another loud applause for Konsehal Katkat Lim.
Yes.
And the trip would not be smooth and safe if not for our good Councilor Jun Sakin, who always reminded us to start everything, to set out, before setting out, with a prayer, and to say the grace before every meal. So, busog-lusog mi permi. And our time in Davao was not wasted because of because of our tour guide in the person of Honorable Lorly Cipres. We did not go there just to attend the seminar, but we were able to unofficially, informally, self-initiatedly conduct a mini benchmarking at the Eden's Nature Park, a place similar to our Hoyohoy, to our Global Gardens in Hoyohoy. And what we saw there, what we observed there, might be very applicable to us in the near future when we will be developing our local city tourism sites like the Bukagan Hill, the kining Mount Malindang Park Golf and Country Club, Mount Malindang Golf Course. And aside from that, we were able to visit the City Hall of Davao, the famous landmarks of Davao, the Sangguniang Panglungsod building of Davao City, the oldest church of Davao City, the San Pedro Cathedral, and we also went to their public market known as the Banquerohan, and able to taste their local products. And this person, si John Fell, went home ahead of us because he was really there, no, during the whole seminar. So nakita na mo siya, kami sad mga old-timers were also encouraged by his kaning willing to learn nga spirit bitaw. So after the seminar, kay daghan pa kay siya giatiman nga responsibilities diri. So he went home at the middle of the night just to make sure nga ning abot siya diri to attend to his committee responsibilities. And the last but not the least, this person is really the epitome of a kining pakisama and very cooperative. He even endured the strong smell sa vehicle just to be with us. He is a very busy person. He has so many works and mga assignments left at home, but he really endured and was very patient to the group. So diri na mo nakita ang teamwork. He treated us to unlimited coffee and drinks with light snacks and light lunch on our way back to Osamis at a coffee shop in Balabagan, your hometown, Madam Chair.
Balabagan?
Yes, Madam Chair. So we would like to we appreciate your generosity, Honorable Sancho Waminal Jr. Thank you for bearing with us. Thank you for bearing with the group. Na bata good siya balik. In conclusion, Madam Chair, the trip was a memorable one. Truly a remarkable one. So I do hope that in the near future we will still have, we would like to attend another opportunities like this, because here we can exercise the true meaning of teamwork. And this comes only once in our lifetime. It cannot be repeated anymore. And the joy, the happiness we experienced in that the recent Davao trip is very hard to duplicate and replicate by other LGUs. Thank you,
Very
Madam
good.
Chair.
Thank you very much for your report, Honorable Ko. At this point in time, allow me, yes, you still have more, Honorable
May I respond,
Tampayan.
Honorable Chair? I would like to join the observations of Honorable Ko on our trip. It's really wholesome and entertaining, and also sort of benchmarking kay giduo man la mga namo ang mga gwapong lugar sa Davao, and we learn many things on that trip. And aside from learning the new subject matters, insights of a legislator, lahat ay natutunan namin sa Davao, Honorable Chair. Although I'm not inclined to be very sure about the adjective that I am legendary. I am not. I'm sorry. I am not legendary. Pagtawag lang sa Misamis Occidental, ako gidoon sa akong makauban. Para Misamis Occidental, represent ako ilang gidoon. Muna nga, wala ako kabalibad, ako kinatigulangan. Ako may represent. So, akong ipakinambog ang atong program sa Miss Ok na nataas-taas naman kay zero corruption, ang atong health program nga libre hospital. We start in 2019. Karon ang national government bago lang ang start, pero kita dugay na start 2019 pa, no, amid short budget. So akong minambog, iparin na barangays, we cut short ko guys, murag daka ko usura ta katong atong Bicol, atong farmer support, full-time support, daka mag-usura, naka short ko, taas ako usura. So natawag ko sa pinakakaraan ng mga legislator na 1988. Napil ko dito 1988. Wala may 1985. Ako yung pinakakaraan ng 1988. 1992, 95. So, we respond to the murag question nga gire sa among facilitator sa Davao. So, in all, the activity is very wholesome. I hope the other, my colleagues, we miss them. Honorable Atty. Lao, Honorable Saro Salvador, and Honorable John Calmalon. I hope they were there at the time because it's really a fruitful learning, and many things can be learned even if we are already, I myself, third term na, no? Like 9 others nga, third term na, like ang balita ko lang makatuni, no? As councilors. So, importante kayo nga matinta sa sama ang mga activity. So, we thank everybody for that very wonderful trip. We thank our leader, Honorable Catherine Lim, for guiding us throughout the seminar. No? Siya yung nagtabang na mo, guide, fasilitanan. So, thank you very much, Honorable Chair.
Thank you very much for having a re-echo sa inyong lakaw dito. Congratulations once again. And before we adjourn, I would like to take this opportunity to again congratulate everybody, no, kaninyo for your successful journey in Davao, for that first continuing local legislative education program. Nakakaton yun mo, no, both theory and practical aspect. So salamat kaayo nga you learn so much from that exercises, no, in Davao City. So once again, this year would like to acknowledge your active participation in that particular seminar. Congratulations, and mura kita, usa kita kinadaghanan nga mga naay participants Usami City. Okay, very good. We have a very good attendance during that particular seminar. So once again, congratulations to our Honorable Majority Floor Leader who make the necessary summarize of the whole activity, and for the ever reporter, Honorable Cecil ko. Salamat kayo sa tanan gyud ni participate actively during that seminar in Davao. May patagnan na pula no? Anyway, again and again, congratulations. Congratulations po din ganiyang buntag, no? Having a perfect, I think we have a perfect attendance this morning, no? Oh, natatanan, no? And then to our staff, kanunay yung nag-practice. So, they have a very good performance this morning. Continue lang mo, padayon lang mo itong mga performer nato, ng mga staff, no? Padayon kay we are all here to support you. Thank you, Honorable Majority Floor Leader.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. Before I proceed to the last item, I'd like to remind my colleagues that this coming Friday, September 26 will be our assessment and evaluation at 9 o'clock in the morning up to 12. No? And perhaps in the afternoon, we have the combination. No? Perhaps Honorable Lopites can share to us the activities on the combination in the afternoon of September 26, Honorable Chair. We have Honorable Cypris, Honorable Chair.
Okay. Honorable Cypris, you have some updates?
Thank you, Madam Chair. As of this moment, Madam Chair, I have to communicate to the city admin, Madam Chair, for further information regarding our culmination day. But probably, possible, if kung dili mag-ulan, dirita sa City Hall grounds ang ato ang culmination day, night. Yeah, Madam
Family
Chair.
Day?
Family Day and culmination night na to, Madam Chair.
Okay. Thank you, Honorable Cypris, for your updates. Any other updates regarding this civil service activity? Wala na.
I guess there are no more updates. May have Catherine Lim, Honorable Catherine Lim, Honorable Chair.
Yes, Honorable Kathleen.
Thank you, Madam Chair. Sorry na kalimot ko og share ninyo regarding sa LLA preparation, Madam Chair, for this coming 26 in the morning. Sagara, naka-attend man ko sa duha ka municipalities na agyud tanan ilahang councilors nag-attend sa LLA assessment, Madam Chair. So, hoping kung available lang ato ang mga councilors, naalang gyud pud unta ta sa 26 sa
Buntag?
LLA. Yes, morning, Madam Chair.
Morning, what time?
Mga before sa 9 na unta ta.
Okay. So, we are trying to inviting all the councilors, no? We enjoin you to be here on September 26. May I request the Honorable Mr. Secretary, palihog na kong remind sa ito, no?
Actually, Madam Chair, we are now in the final days of our preparations.
Okay, good.
And we are happy that finally the local chief executive has submitted the executive legislative agenda. And long before that, Madam Chair, we have prepared through the initiative of men and women of the City Council, we have initially drafted the legislative agenda. So we are just waiting nga makasubmit ang Office of the Mayor sa ilang ila so that our legislative agenda will conform. That's why I suggested to the majority floor leader that we will make it also 2024 to 2027.
Okay. Mas maigi tingali na we have a briefing kinta before 26. So that would be on the 24, but we still have enough time kung usa pa yung mga kakulangon inaana, no. Anyway, na-anticipate naman tingali na to sa mga kakulangon.
We will just inform this August body, Madam Chair, before Friday, the whatever necessary preparations that we have. But nevertheless, Madam Chair, we have prepared all the documents necessary for the evaluation this coming Friday, Madam Chair.
Okay, very good. So, the Secretariat is ready na. Okay. So, we enjoined all the councilors to be present here on September 26. 8 o'clock.
Mga before 9 a.m. lang. Madam Chair,
Yes.
mga before 9 a.m. lang.
Ha?
Before 9 a.m. lang po.
Before?
Isayo ra kayo ang 8 o'clock, Madam Chair.
Before 9?
9 o'clock man ato ang start sa LLA. So mga na sila, mga maski 8:50 ana.
Please just prepare for it now.
Madam Chair, we suggest that if perhaps we could meet on Thursday afternoon, Madam Chair.
Okay. O sige, kinanglan na itong mga preparations. Just inform us.
Yes, Madam Chair. As what I have said, Madam Chair, we have prepared the necessary, but nevertheless, we have, at least we could brief the members of this August body on Thursday afternoon, Madam Chair.
Okay. So, it is really kanang na ang encourage, no, nga niya kita din eh. 8 o'clock, 8:30. Kumusta mo na?
2 o'clock, Madam Chair.
Ha?
2 o'clock, Madam Chair.
Oh, okay. Sa September 25, Thursday,
Thursday afternoon, Madam Chair, 2 o'clock.
2 o'clock.
Yes, Madam Chair.
Thursday, September 25, 2 o'clock niya dire for orientation because the evaluation would be on September 26. So, that would be good, no? Nga, doon na tayo ang orientation, na natin kuan, what shall we do during the kanini ang actual sana.
Because during the evaluation, Madam Chair,
Evaluation.
it is not only the staff that will be answering the questions from the evaluator, but also to the members of this August body.
Okay, let's make it up when kita ni ata din by Thursday at 2 p.m. Thursday 2 p.m. we should be around din ita na para to discuss possible matters nga that might be considered in the following this discussion. Okay? Yes, Honorable, kabisado magyud ka ani, you discuss with the group.
Yes, Madam Chair. Actually, kanang I talked with Sir Mark Ryan na mag-meet mi karon after lunch, and then I will check all the documents based on the assessment form. Unya, ipaplaster ng jud nako nila og unsa ang style sa ni Sir Patok from the ILG province, Madam Chair, nga para dali na lang dayon kayo. Then kinsay i-assign nga counselor nga mutapad sa isa ka assessor para inig mangayo siya ani si counselor mo nay muhatag dayon na diretso na para wala nay daghang kanang mataranta pa. So luckily ako'y gipahimong assessor sa duha ka municipalities, then 26 pa man po datwan. We have ample time to prepare and also with our councilors, Madam Chair.
Okay, thank you, Honorable Lim. I think our secretary that's more than willing, no, to make the necessary preparations of sa gikinahanglan through our secretary, or Mr. Attorney
Honorable
Tapayan.
Sir, I am also asking Honorable Sister to assist us because he is a veteran on this. Last evaluation, he has attended several LGUs during evaluation, so he is experienced on this matter, Honorable Sir.
Okay. Honorable Suizo, yes.
Yes, Madam Chair. I'm very much willing. In fact, I already made my evaluation regarding our submissions of all the documents that is needed for the upcoming LLA, and sad to say, still we have so many things to be done.
Okay.
And we are doing it right now. Probably it will be benefited the next round of evaluation come next term. But for
Okay.
this term, this will be evaluated 2022, 2025. Loopholes should be made, but I think the gray area will be discussed during our upcoming evaluation come Thursday. I will be there, Madam Chair. Thank you.
Sige. Thursday we'll be having a quorum here at 2 o'clock. Yes, additional.
Madam Chair, ako lang kuan, Madam Chair, kung sa ako mong observation dito sa duha ka municipalities, nangunay gyud ang ilahang DILG nga officer ni moy ning tabang o plastar pod nya. I don't know of na last year sa Usamis LLA naa ba si Sir Edgel ni hands-on ba gyud pod ba?
We'll just invite him.
I propose that we will invite our DLG President on Thursday,
Oo.
2 o'clock.
Para nga doon na sa ika-input, better.
Actually, Madam Chair, sa previous evaluation, it was solely on the effort of our staff and employees together with the assistance of then our PCL representative in Osami City at Councilor Dinky Suizo. But nevertheless, Madam
yes.
Chair,
Oo.
we thoroughly reviewed the guidelines and we thoroughly prepare what are those documents. Kung naamanggal ni makulang, at least gamay-gamay na lang, Madam Chair.
Okay.
Because like what we have experienced before, every time that the evaluators mangayo ani nga documents, we can easily produce. We
Okay.
already segregated those.
Just be prepared. Well, the manifestation of Honorable Kat Lim, ninot maputo if we will invite our DILG officer kay should he has something to add o doon sa ikadugang labi pong maayo.
Pero among imbitar,
Okay
we
ra.
will invite our DILG officer this coming Thursday, Madam Chair.
Okay, sige. Anyway, any other matters? Yes. No more. Salamat. Any other matters to be discussed? Wala na. Honorable Majority of Lord there.
I guess there is none, Honorable Sir. So I am now inclined to proceed with my most unpleasant task. I move to adjourn the regular session, Honorable Sir.
Regular session is adjourned. Don't forget on Thursday, no? Thursday, that is 25.